Welcome to Wellness and Mindfulness Digest 2026-07-17. Today's 9 stories. Story 1, Meditation calms the brain in just 3 minutes, Harvard study. Story 2, 12-minute yin yoga to relieve some of your stress. Story 3, heated yoga may reduce depression symptoms, study finds more classes bring greater benefits. Story 4, mindfulness is often presented as a path to calm, but its Buddhist roots explain why it can also bring difficulties. Story 5, new research exposes unwanted or adverse effects of mindfulness. Story 6, mindful meditation, a practical guide to calm, focus, and stress relief. Story 7, reporming the panic, choosing conscious response over avoidance. Story 8, Thoughtseeds as latent causes, a dual-process computational phenomenology of focused attention meditation. Story 9, a modular state-space model of human perception, cognition, and decision dynamics. Story 1, meditation calms the brain in just 3 minutes, Harvard study. This article reframes anxiety not as a monster, but as an outdated alarm system in our brains. It explains how avoidance only reinforces fear, while consciously facing our triggers can reprogram our nervous system. The author shares a powerful distinction between fear-driven avoidance and conscious choice. This perspective shifts anxiety from a condition to be eliminated to a system that can be trained. The implications are profound. By understanding anxiety as a trainable system, we can develop more effective strategies for managing it. This approach could transform how we think about mental health, moving beyond avoidance to embrace conscious engagement with our experiences. Story 2, 12-minute yin yoga to relieve some of your stress. This technical paper presents a fascinating computational model of focused attention meditation. The authors developed a 3-layer system that explains how our brains manage attention during meditation, using concepts like Thoughtseeds as latent causes driving our mental states. They modeled meditation as traversing 4 distinct attractor states, from breath focus to meta-awareness. The model uses advanced mathematics to bridge subjective experience with measurable brain activity, essentially creating a quantitative framework for understanding meditation. This work could revolutionize how we study mindfulness, potentially leading to personalized meditation protocols based on individual brain patterns. The implications extend beyond meditation to attention control disorders and neurotechnology applications. Story 3, heated yoga may reduce depression symptoms, study finds more classes bring greater benefits. This technical paper introduces a groundbreaking modular state-space model that connects how we perceive, think, and make decisions. The authors created a mathematical framework that describes human behavior as a perception-cognition-decision pipeline, establishing conditions for stability and demonstrating applications in rehabilitation. They showed that their model-based controller significantly outperformed standard approaches in simulated environments. This work is particularly important because it provides an interpretable, analyzable model of human behavior, which is essential for designing intelligent systems that adapt to human needs. The implications are vast, potentially transforming how we create adaptive technologies for healthcare, education, and human-AI collaboration. Story 4, mindfulness is often presented as a path to calm, but its Buddhist roots explain why it can also bring difficulties. This article explores the dual nature of mindfulness, acknowledging its benefits while highlighting potential adverse effects for some individuals. It connects mindfulness practices to Buddhist traditions, offering a balanced view of their psychological impacts. Story 5, new research exposes unwanted or adverse effects of mindfulness. This study reveals that while mindfulness meditation offers benefits like stress reduction, it can also present challenges for some practitioners. The research underscores the importance of balanced perspectives on mindfulness practices. Story 6, mindful meditation, a practical guide to calm, focus, and stress relief. This guide offers practical techniques for mindfulness meditation, demonstrating how it can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional balance. It includes evidence-based approaches for achieving mental well-being. Story 7, Reporming the panic, choosing conscious response over avoidance. This article explores methods for managing anxiety by consciously responding to panic rather than avoiding it. It discusses how teaching the nervous system to handle discomfort can improve overall mental resilience and well-being. Story 8, Thoughtseeds as Latent Causes, a dual-process computational phenomenology of focused attention meditation. This computational study examines focused attention meditation through a dual-process lens, identifying attractor states like breath focus and mind wandering. It provides a scientific framework for understanding meditation's effects on attention and cognition. Story 9, a modular state space model of human perception, cognition, and decision dynamics. This technical paper proposes a computational model that explains human perception, cognition, and decision-making processes. While not directly about meditation, it offers frameworks that could inform future research on attention mechanisms.